Make a great choice today with
the 2019 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.